Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and doing well. So today I'm back with a new video. This video would be very beneficial for the girls who want to look stunning on the occasions. So girls, if you have long hairs and you are looking for a fun and stunning ways to switch up your look, so you are in the right place. Today I'm showing you some stunning and extraordinary hairstyles for long hairs that you can try on any of occasion in your family. Girls, I guarantee you, if you try these hairstyles in any of the event in your family, you will look stunning and that occasion everyone would be looking at you like you are looking too much beautiful. So what are you waiting for? See this hairstyles and follow these. Grab your brush and try it on your hairs. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, then do tell me in the comment section and also subscribe my channel and like my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification about my new video. So hope so you enjoy the hairstyles. Allah Hafiz.